Hello and welcome to this video about Perreaux Silouette SXCD. I always keep saying that English and French designs are very often very quirky and nothing is done in a simple way. Well, this is New Zealand's entry into that category. It's a two-piece CD player. As you see, it's not very big, you know, it spans of a hand. And the bottom part is just a drive unit. A drive unit is a CD-ROM, but not your average one that you can get now. It's not a SATA design. SATA is serial ATA. This is PATA, parallel ATA, or as they used to call them, IDE hard drives. These are still available if you really try. I bought a couple of them, another one for the Meridian. But I got this one going again. I replaced the belt in it. Yes, I've serviced CD-ROM, replaced the belt and the clean limit switches, and it seems to behave most of the time. But anyway, anybody can service it. You see, what they say is that they got rid of anything that wasn't necessary, and this actually is all on purpose. There isn't even a display, because display requires 100 kilohertz switch circuit, and that creates noise and that kind of jazz. They, in fact, in a user manual, I'll give you a couple of pages. This is the first page, and then I'll give you a next page. That's warranty. That's the second page of the blurb. There was even a first page there, so you can freeze it and read all about it. I'm not going to bore you with that, but well, I don't know. It uses Burr Brown PCM 1748 DAC, which is, you know, all right. It's got the same transformer that they use in electrocompagnettes. So, I mean, it's all, you know, quality made. It's, as you see, it's a modern design, all surface mount components. I'm going to convert it. It's at the moment 110 volts, but it's apparently just cut those two links and insert the other one, so that it will become a 240 volts soon. I purchased remote control for it from sort of, you know, it's a multi-device unit, but of course it doesn't work. It can't work because there is no window on it. In fact, there is no even a receiver. What you do, into that port there, you plug in a standard receiver. I've seen one at the local store, and so for Arduino costs $6, and apparently you aim that at it and it should work. And oh, there's another one because the one for Arduino doesn't even have a case, so it can be just stuck with the tape underneath it. But there's one with the case for $20. So they say, well, if you don't need it, you don't need it, and you can use this, you know, standard remote RC5 codes. So what we have in here, this is a eject button. This is stop, forward, reverse, and play. And they say, well, that's all you need. If you want to skip forward, you press that. If you want to fast search, you just press it for longer, you know, and it goes forward. And if you want to skip, you skip. So, so that's the most minimalistic unit I've ever seen. And, you know, it comes with this PATA parallel ATA ribbon cable. So there it is. I mean, if you have a, I'll change the track because this was a bit too loud. If you have a Perreaux setup, well, or you are a collector, well, this is one to get. Make me an offer on this. But well, I don't know how well this CD-ROM is gonna. I mean, inside of that, this is a LG CD-ROM, but inside of that there is a proper Sony reader, KRB something or other. You know, I have a picture of it. So this is not just any old unit. You know, that there which I bought as a spare, that it says it's a light on, But of course, Lighton supply. This is. I really want that one for my Meridian. I have a Meridian, I think 206 or something else, that needs one of those. And the Lighton used to make optical readers for Plextor, and Plextors were the best. So that should also be pretty good. So, well, I don't know. I'm not that sure, but then again, I mean, it works and it plays, you know, reasonably well. So if you are into Perreaux, well, maybe that's the one for you. Well, thank you very much, and till the next one.